Now let's see situation 4. When old partners surrender a part of their share in favor of the new partner. So in this case, old partners surrender a part of their share in favor of the new partner. So let's see with the help of an illustration. Suppose A and B are partners and they share profit in the ratio 7:3. Now C comes and A gives 1/7 of his share to C, and B gives 1/3 of his share to again C. So in this case, how it will be calculated? So here at first we have to calculate the new ratio because we don't have new ratio. So we'll see. So new ratio new share of A. So new share of A will be 7/10. This was his old share minus 1/7 of 7/10 was given to C. So here we will calculate how much share of A will be there in the new partnership firm. So it will be 1/7 will be cancelled, 1/10. So 6/10 is the new ratio for A. Now new share of B. New share of B will be, he was getting 3/10 and he has given 1/3 of 3/10 to C. So here 3 will be cancelled, again 3/10 minus 1/10 equals to 2/10, and we know how much C is getting. C is getting this part and this part. So he is getting 1/10 and 1/10. So new share of C equals to 3/1/10 plus 1/10 equals to 2/10. Here all denominators are same, so we can say the new ratio of A is to B is to C equals to 6:2:2. Now we will enter into this statement. So here partner A, old ratio was 7/10, new ratio is 6/10. So sacrifice is 7/10 minus 6/10 equals to 1/10. Again B was getting 3/10, new ratio is 2/10. So 3/10 minus 2/10 equals to 1/10. Again C, he was not getting anything, he is getting now 2/10. So this is sacrifice and 2/10 is gain. So sacrificing ratio you can see is equal. So sacrificing ratio of A and B will be 1/10 and 1/10. That means 1:1. So in this way, under situation 4 it will be calculated.